Hello, friends. I know it's been a while. I apologize. Gonna try to be more consistent. Um, so really just doing more vlogs. Very low effort slop content for you guys to consume. Yeah, I'm giving you what you want, not what you need. Anyway, yeah. Right now, so lately I've just been kind of trying to learn some new topics like game engine development. Still working on like compilers and interpreters type stuff. Had to buzz something in. Yeah, so still doing the compilers and interpreters. Right now, I'm trying to make some progress on finishing the crafting interpreters book because I've been reading that book for, I want to say, 3-4 years. Still haven't finished it. Not continuously. I just keep starting over. But making an effort to finish the compiler section. So I am going to probably stop with the interpreter series and switch it to a compiler series. I'm guessing that's what this is going to be. I somehow changed my shutter speed. Oh no. Oh God, it's not. Okay, we're good. Anyway, but before that, I'm going to take a walk probably. I've not moved all day. And my legs hurt because I did leg day yesterday. But I'm not going to let that stop me. I'm going to walk maybe to the grocery store or something. And then when I get back, I'm going to probably just work through the book. Right now, I am both going through the book in Swift and C++. The book, this section is actually written in C, but I've been wanting to learn C++ for game development stuff anyway. So I thought it'll be easy to translate it to C++, a little bit harder to translate it to Swift. But I'm doing them both, kind of switching back and forth when I get bored. Anyway, thank you for watching.
In a city innocence, we don't care what we're doing, so long as we're moving. We don't have time for lying around, we're too young to waste time picking our food off the ground. So long as the sun is out, we'll waste time doing anything we can to procrastinate. Times like these, I wish I could drive. I can see the road with my eyes. When the day is over and the wolves come out to play.
Back from my walk, I did not go to the grocery store. Ended up just going to CVS because I didn't really need food. And I got something arguably more important than food. Energy drinks. And also collagen gummies. And nail polish. If like food is to gain energy, why can't we just like drink energy drinks instead? I don't get it. Anyway, it was a good walk. That's all. I don't have anything else to say. I actually do have one more thing to say. Is America getting enough sleep? Because every time I go to like a CVS or a Walgreens looking for energy drinks, they're just like half sold out. Like, I feel like we have become very dependent on them, especially Ghost. Like, Ghost is always like completely picked clean. I don't know if like FaZe Clan is the reason for this, but there's a problem going on. I think we're sick. I'm sick. I'm one of them. Because I can't, without energy drinks, this channel wouldn't exist, if I'm being honest. Okay, I'm gonna work on some C++. Okay, so if the audio or the video is bad, it's because I'm doing something new. Yeah, so right now, I'm just going through crafting interpreters, and on my second screen I have a YouTube video by Sylvie the Queen. If you haven't watched her, what the fuck you doing with your life? She's amazing. And I won't explain what she does, but she's a vlogger. Look her up. She's amazing. Damn, it's a lot of mess in my background. It's just keyboards and books and shit, so don't judge. Okay. What the heck am I doing? Okay, so where am I? I am just starting the second part of this book. So it is building a bytecode interpreter / compiler. The way that works is basically instead of creating an abstract syntax tree, which you can for a bytecode interpreter. I have to pause my YouTube video because I'm like unable to talk and think and listen. The difference is instead of representing the code as an object, you represent it as what's called bytecode. So basically it's just opcodes that get executed similar to how assembly or machine code is executed. And the reason it's called bytecode is because each opcode is 1 byte in length. And to execute it, to make it more portable and easier to use, instead of having the CPU execute it, we're actually going to build a virtual machine that will execute the bytecode. So we can make it a lot simpler and only implement instructions that we care about. So that is what I'm doing. So far, I have a main.cpp. It's just grabbing a couple includes. We have a chunk, which is what holds all the actual bytecode. And then we have debug, which implements this disassemble chunk method or function. And what that does is just print out what each opcode is. And then write chunk just writes your operation to the chunk. Later we will have a method or a function underneath that that runs everything. I am so object oriented. I keep saying method. I'm trying to unlearn that because the Cherno says it's bad. Just kidding. It doesn't say object oriented programming is bad. A lot of people, I feel like, have been moving away from object oriented programming. I have too. In my daily work, I tend to prefer, well, I use structs instead of classes. To me, that's still somewhat object-oriented, but there's no like inheritance. So that is kind of nice. You don't have to worry about all the baggage that comes with inheriting from a class. Okay, so it's super bothering me how it won't center me in this. Goddamn AI. All right, so, and oh yeah, I will show you the actual chunk struct. So go back and let's open chunk.h. So all it is so far is we have an enum for the opcodes. Only one we have so far is return. And then we just have a struct for a chunk, and it just has a vector, which in C++ is just an array. And that has code. It has uint8, which is just 1 byte length, unsigned integer. So when you write to a chunk, we just pass it in. And if I forgot how to use invim, or I forgot my invim like stuff. Okay, here we go. I haven't used NeoVim in a while. Please cut me all the slack available. Oh yeah. So all it's doing is pushing it into the chunks code vector. Pushes it, push back just appends it to the end of the array. In Swift, that would just be the same as append. Okay, so also, my invim is like not set up well. I haven't touched it in so long, so like some of the autocomplete just doesn't work. And that was super, super fun and annoying and cool and not frustrating. I'm gonna put on my video now. So, right now I am working on the debugged stuff though. So, if we, close that. Yeah, in debug.h we have two two functions one called disassemble chunk and one called disassemble instruction. So I am just going to, I forget how to toggle panes. Before I make the next video, I'm definitely gonna have to read about NVim. I know I could just do this in Xcode, but I'm trying to be more, I don't know, just, I wanna mog you. I want you to feel inadequate and bad because you don't know any Vim bindings. You can't even leave Vim. You get no bitches and you can't leave Vim. That's sad. But I stay on that colon WQ shit phoneme. I don't remember how to add a file either. I'm talking shit and I can't even add a file. All right, so we're gonna create a file called debug.c++. So we're gonna have to include debug.h. So I believe the first one is void disassemble chunk. See, that's what my autocomplete is doing. I don't know why it's doing that. That's super annoying. Like I go to autocomplete and it just disappears. Like what the fuck is that? This is a crime. All right, so it's gonna be chunk. And then we just have a C string called name. We're passing in. So, I wish I didn't say so much in these videos, but I was like watching other YouTubers. So I was like noticing, I like start a lot of my videos by saying, okay, so, and I was like, I need to stop doing that. I do that so much. And then I was watching other YouTubers, and so many people start off their videos like that. I feel like it's the new, what is up, guys? Smash that like button. I have been canceled for a criminal act, so I'm trying to stop doing that so much. I may or may not be successful. I'm thinking I won't. Okay, so I just did it! I hope my neighbors can't hear me screaming into a microphone. They wouldn't know it's a microphone. They just would think my neighbor is a psychopath. Call the cops. Call the cops on that black man. I hope they don't do that. They would probably call me the N-word. I'm just kidding. I don't know what I'm talking about. They would probably not do that. A lot of the people who live in my building are black. But a lot of them are rich white people. And that absolutely means nothing. What did I just do? What the hell? Okay. Alright, that was weird. Alright, so we're gonna say, let's do a little for loop. I'm gonna do size T instead of int, like the book says, because the book doesn't know a darn thing. No, it's, I'm sure the guy who wrote this book is very smart. I'm sure. Obviously. Okay, so chunk. Code. And then say offset. And then I do feel like some of the way he writes code is a little odd, but I think it's just because of the, just to make the stuff more teachable. I don't know if he would write this if it was like production code or not. But also I'm no expert. I'm just a girl. All right, disassemble. Okay, we're gonna say offset equals disassemble instruction. Okay, let's see if it works. No, it doesn't. I really need to figure out what's up with my autocomplete, because this is gonna make me act up. Symbol instruction. And we're just gonna pass in the chunk and the offset. Offset! And that's all we're doing. Okay. And then actually gonna change this. We're gonna go to debug dot. Oh, I haven't saved this. We're gonna go to debug.h. I'm gonna actually change this. Return a size T. Alright, so it's gonna return size T. It's gonna be disassemble. The video I'm watching is Sylvie the Queen thrifting, and I barely thrift. I wanna be a thrifty bitch, but I just lose interest as I'm trying to, as I'm like looking through things at a thrift store, and I'm just like, I don't I'm never gonna wear any of this. I'm not gonna. And if I do buy it, I'm probably not gonna clean it. And then because I haven't cleaned it, I'm never gonna wanna wear it. So it'll just sit there forever. So I don't ever buy anything. And also I'm just like, always like crippled by analysis paralysis when I'm like shopping in person. Shopping online, I don't have a problem buying stuff. But like in person, I'm just I get scared. I'm like, what if it's ugly? What if I'm ugly? What if I'm not good enough? That got dark. Just kidding. What the fuck? Format specifies type N, but size C. Unsigned long fix available. What? Okay, so we have to. Size C is not an int. I don't know how to use this fix available thing either. What is it? L? I don't know what an unsigned long would be. Let me check the internet. Oh yeah, I could just use C out too. Ugh. Yeah, what if I just do IO stream instead? I'm like realizing oftentimes I do just write C in C++. I don't want to do that all the time, but most of the time I do, I think. Alright, so equals. I think, yeah, like IO stream, definitely better than just printf. I don't know why I'm even saying this or comparing these. Who gives a fuck? But I'm going to use that because I'm in C++ and I have the luxury. But I don't know how to like format it by size though. Oh, LU. Okay. Okay. Long unsigned. Okay, there we go. All right. We learned something new. I'm going to leave this as a printf because I actually do need the formatting. I don't know how to format things with IOStream because I don't know C++. I know the basics. It was actually my first language, but it's been years since I was like doing it consistently. I've been doing some of it like lately in like my break from making videos. But I'm still like nowhere near as good at it as I am at like Swift, or I guess that's really the only thing I'm good at. All right, uint8 _ t. So here we're gonna get the instruction, which is an 8-bit integer, unsigned 8-bit integer. So we're gonna say chunk.code. I've not like run any of this, which is scary. I just feel like it's just not gonna work when I'm ready to actually run it. But what would be new? It wouldn't be my channel if things worked. sorry. I'm looking. Why am I apologizing to no one? I'm looking for another video to watch. I guess suggested a video called Day Drinking in a Grocery Store at 5 p.m. on a rainy day. Is 5 p.m. day drinking? I feel like that's like more happy hour. I'm gonna click it. Let's see who this guy is. This guy has weird energy, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna like the video because it's weird to I don't think I should be putting people day drinking on my channel, I guess. Chuck. I misspelled chunk. Alright, he's going to the grocery store. He's going to Wegmans, and he's gonna drink alcohol in Wegmans. He's gonna have sushi too. That's gonna be awesome. He said, why not get drunk on the internet? Who amongst us has not asked that? I don't know why I'm just like reading off the video I'm watching. Probably because it feels so weird and insane that someone made this. I'm not hating. My content is also shit. I'm not saying his content is shit. It's strange. It's unique. It's different. He has more subscribers than me though. So who am I to talk shit? My phone is gonna fall. Good Lord. I love weird, obscure YouTube content. It's like my favorite thing. Okay, focus on the task at hand. All right, so once we have the instruction, which we do, we're gonna do a switch. He's gonna take a piss before he starts drinking. He doesn't want to break the seal too early. I don't know why anyone says like my channel is so unique and kind of weird. I get comments like that and I feel like it's very normal. Like I'm just coding and yapping. This channel is weird. I'm gonna go get drunk in the grocery store and film myself. That's unique. That is, dare I say, innovative. I am not innovative at all. He just put a disclaimer at the bottom that says all videos are produced in a safe and professional manner. Oh God, I forgot to turn off my watch. That's like tracking my workout. I can't speak. All right, symbol instruct. I can't spell today. Symbol instruction. So this is just a function that's going to print out the actual instruction. So if we get return, we're gonna say, and we're gonna pass an offset. And then we have a not a case, a default. So default, we're just gonna say cout. We're just gonna say unknown opcode. Probably don't need the end owl here. Whatever. I don't know why I changed that. I'm just gonna say /hid. Okay. And then we have to say turn offset +1. So we're just incrementing the offset if it if we hit the default. So we have the simple instruction. All right, size T. He said that this is the American dream, to be eating sushi in the grocery store and day drinking. Ain't that the truth? This motherfucker ain't lie once. Okay, and then we pass an offset. I think this guy is really smart for monetizing his alcoholism, because I have not monetized anything that is ruining my life. I should work on that, because if I could just monetize, if I could just start an addiction and then monetize it, I'd be set for life. Because 1, I'd be making money. 2, I'll probably die before I run out. I figured it out. Drug dealers hate this one simple trick where you die before, so they can't keep selling you drugs. I'm sorry if anyone who's watching has had a loved one die from drugs. I apologize. All right. Okay, so if I did not put any errors, it should be able to compile, but we're gonna see. I think I'm gonna make a make file. So I don't have to do. He's upset he can't smoke inside. He seems surprised that every grocery store in his area is no smoking. Aren't they all? I've never heard of a goddamn grocery store that lets you smoke, but I don't know. It is. He said it is what it is. Ain't nothing he can do about it. It is what it is. I don't remember how to do a make file though. I need to look up a cheat sheet real quick. Oh my god, he's just posing. Oh, I think he was making the thumbnail in the video. That's genius. God, that's so smart. All right. I don't like care that much about this being like cross-platform. I just like don't want to type the whole like Clang shit. Okay. Actually, first, I'm gonna actually make sure it works first. All right, Clang++. Main.cpp. What am I don't remember what the other files are. Debug.cpp. Chunk. And then I don't know how to do this anymore. Okay, so we have an error. I must have misspelled something. Symbol instruction. Oh. Okay, I know what I did wrong. It's just because it doesn't know about this yet, so I have to move it above. All right. Alright. Could not find architecture for also, I'm gonna add a fucking. I'm gonna add warnings. Alright. Undefined symbols for architecture x64. Dis symbol instruction, reference, and dis symbol chunk. Alright. Okay. Let me see. Disassemble instruction, chunk, offset. I like this guy. I'm not gonna lie. He's weird, for sure. I'll put the YouTube channel in the description in case you want to watch a guy drink in the grocery store. I'm subscribing. I don't know why the hell this ain't working. I'll set this. Let me look at the error again. Oh, I think I know it. Okay, I need to find a new video. Oh, yes! I get excited. One of my other favorite YouTube channels just dropped a video. It's Daff. She smokes weed and cooks, and she's also very funny. This is gonna make me so hungry. I'm not eating today. I have eaten today, but not in a while. Not in quite some time. All right. Okay, so I think it's just the header file is not matching the header file is not matching the implementation would be my guess. Okay, so yeah, void chunk const card name this. Did I misspelled disassemble? That's super likely. I wish that I was better at typing and coding, because then I wouldn't have to edit out so much. But I honestly don't think I'm even gonna edit anything out at this point. I've been like using like AI bullshit to like cut out the silences, but it's just like, who cares, man? Do y'all care if there's like silences every once in a while? I don't know. If you do, I don't, just watch something else. Like my content is to be put in the background. It's not like to be exciting and like keep you fucking like engaged 24/7. In fact, I don't want you to be engaged. If you're asleep right now, then I've done my job. Like, that's really all I care about right now as far as as far as YouTube. I want to be your comfort YouTuber and nothing more. This is like Alright, Alright, I should Google that error probably. Alright. Gonna pause my girl Daff. She is. Alright, I'm gonna put all the videos I'm watching in the description. What the hell? What the hell, boy? It's talking about templates. There ain't no damn templates in this shit. Alright, see if it's supposed to link her error. There we go. Needed to compile all. That's. Oh, maybe I missed a file or something. I don't think so. Oh, maybe I have to. Yeah, how do I include the headers actually? That's probably why I just fucking forgot. Probably forgot to. What the fuck, man? I'm looking at a Clang cheat sheet. It's not. Also, I probably want to change the like, alright, let's see. I miss a C++ file. Let me see. Main debug chunk. Disassemble chunk. Oh man, I just missed a fucking include actually. What am I gonna be? No, I didn't include. Fuck. I'm struggling to understand what the heck. This is. I don't. I'm so bad at anything. That's not iOS development. Okay, so let's figure this out real quick so we can end this damn video. Disassemble instruction. Chunk int. Okay, so I was saying I wasn't gonna cut things out. Definitely gonna cut this part out. Disassemble chunk reference. Disassemble chunk card. Oh wait. Oh, disassemble instruction expecting an end. Oh. Is that one? Okay, so oh my God, bruh. I see what's wrong. I forgot to change this to a size T. Jesus. Oh, brother, this guy stinks. Okay, so that compiled. So if I run it. Okay, so cool. Okay, so it is at least printing out the test chunk part, but I think I didn't. So something's missing. So let me check the main again. Okay, so yeah, we're writing the chunk, we're disassembling the chunk. Check out debug.cpp one more time. So simple instruction. Oh yeah, okay, I'm stupid. I didn't finish the the simple instruction part. So oh yeah, I did. So if This doesn't seem to be printing out for some doggone reason. Oh, I'm very stupid. Yo. Okay, so yeah, I'm so stupid. I was going until the offset is while the offset is less than the first element, which it will always be less than that. I mean, it will never be less than that because it's equal. Okay, so let's run it again. Boom. Hell yeah, we did it. Okay. That was super uneventful, but next video, I think I'm gonna do more. Hopefully the yapping was at least entertaining. And I will post those silly YouTube videos I was watching in the description. Thank you for watching. I've been Maddie.